In example 5 of section 11.2, we are going to identify lines of symmetry. First, a definition. A line of symmetry is a line that can be used to map a figure onto itself by a reflection in the line. Another way of thinking about it is if you draw a line of reflection, you will be able to basically fold the figure onto itself over that line. Okay, so we look at this first figure, figure A. This is a hexagon. It has 6 sides, as are all of these figures. They all have 6 sides, but they have different lines of symmetry. If you look at this first one, and I'm going to use my line tool here, I could cut this first one in half right down the middle. So if I were to fold that figure right over that line, it would fold right onto itself. That would be one line of symmetry. A second one would be if I went from side to side here, and I missed my mark by just a hair there, but you can see that if I went right through those vertices, now if I fold it over that, it would be exactly. Now going this way wouldn't quite work. Now I'm going to just draw that with a line. So if I kind of went like this, kind of went like this, wouldn't quite work because this would reflect down here. There's not a vertex there. So I'm going to get rid of that. That wouldn't work, and neither would the other way. So this one appears to have just 2 lines of symmetry. Now this one, because it's a regular hexagon, because all sides are the same length and all angles are exactly the same, this would have a considerable amount more. I could, for example, go through all 3 vertices, so that would fold over onto itself. This one would fold over onto itself. This would certainly fold onto itself. And notice they all cross in the center. But not only that, but I could actually split each side right down through its other side. And again, I missed by a little bit there, but that would fold onto itself. I could do the same thing this way. That one I did a little better. And then I could also go this way. So that one looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines of symmetry. So it looks like 6 lines of symmetry in that one. In the last one, however, I think I can only see 1. I think if I go this way, that looks like a flight for a dart. You flip it right onto itself. But this way it wouldn't work. This wouldn't flip onto that way. It wouldn't flip diagonally. So I think this last one just has 1. And those are lines of symmetry. And we have one more example yet.